Okay, welcome to the Agile Eagle Episode 48. I'm professional trainer Isabel, and the guy next to me is professional trainer Howard. Today, we will be here to bring some new knowledge of Agile and Scrum to you, answer relevant questions and challenge for you, and eventually solve some really complex problem for you. Hoping that through our episode, trainings, and coaching, and all things we can do can make your team use Agile and Scrum just a little bit better. Remember to like and subscribe, ensure that you won't miss any of our upcoming episodes. You can leave message or comments on our socials, Facebook, YouTube, and your comment may have the chance to be the topic of the upcoming episode. It's all free. Today, we are going to talk about Agile Practice under waterfall environment. Okay, when we talk about waterfall and Agile together, it means that hybrid model is being used. However, should we start by talking the characteristic of waterfall and Agile? What is the characteristic and limitation of Agile and waterfall? Actually, waterfall is the structured approach with the characteristic of sequential phases. They have initialization, planning, execution, monitoring, and control closing phases. And the other one is they have detailed documentation. Is what essential to ensuring everybody involved in the project comprehensively understood each stage, each phase. And the last one should be predictability. For the limitation, they have rigidity, not able to adapt to involving user requirement and technological advancement. And late delivery of issue. System defects identified always in the late testing phase, leading to expensive and time-consuming fix. Incapability with change, meaning that it is not suitable when project requirements are dynamic and continuously evolving. And the last one should be unsuitable for undivided project. For example, requirement and scope is an unknown, whereas Agile is an adaptive approach. With the characteristic of they have iterative development, the continuous enhancement, adjustment, and improvement made over the years underlie the concept of innovative development incentives to Agile. Customer collaboration is another characteristic, and its constant solicitation and incorporation of customer feedback into its product and service has propelled it to its market value. And the last one should be respond to change. Accepted by manifesto, welcome change even late in development. It has consistently involved the business model and product offering in response to market change and user demands. For the limitation, they have insufficient documentation. The Agile method focus on rapid delivery often lead to insufficient documentation. And then also unpredictable delivery time and cost. Unlike for waterfall, it is difficult to estimate delivery time and cost in Agile. And also it is not suitable for certain type of project, even Agile with the flexibility and adaptability, but it does not translate well to project with fixed requirement or requiring high predictability. And the last one should be dependence on client involvement. If client cannot commit significant time or does not provide timely feedback, can face significant hurdles. And these are the benefit and limitation of both methodology. We should have to overcome the weakness by using the strength of both methodology. So how do we motivate people to run agile event in waterfall environment?
Okay, I was thinking about how we can introduce agility into our traditional organization using a waterfall methodology. I've got five simple steps to implement agile practice that I think could really help us out. First off, let's encourage more direct communication. That is, mean the face-to-face chat or video call can really strengthen our team connection. Don't you think so? Then we could try visualizing our workflow with Kanban board. It makes checking tasks so much easier and boosts the collaboration among the team members. Of course, we shouldn't forget about educating everyone on agile principle. It's essential that everyone understand and support the new approach. Starting with small changes seems like a good idea, right? We can gradually adjust and show management the progress we are making. Lastly, starting with small change seems like a good idea. Lastly, we can make sure to highlight the benefits of Agile. If we can back up our claim with evidence, it helps boost confidence and get everyone on board. What do you think? Oh, Isabel, you're on mute.
I think that this is a really a good approach. And then also we
And yeah, okay, thank you. Why adding agile practice under waterfall environment is so important?
I think you may be thinking why organizations still continues working in waterfall. Sometimes risk management is a common barrier that prevents organization from going pure agile. And company may not be ready to go pure agile, but at the least, seasoned project manager are realize considerable benefit from adding agile practice and more frequent delivery. A hybrid agile waterfall methodology could be just what an organization needs for quality delivery. So why? As said before, in a hybrid model, waterfall provide the overall structure for the well understood predictive aspect of the project. And agile techniques are used for the iterative and fixed those uncertain parts. And agile has proven to be more adaptive and efficient than traditional approach. In the digital era, characteristic by rapid change and unpredictable environment has tested the limitation of waterfall method and recognizing the need for more adaptable project management methodology. And the ways of hybrid method have evolved organically as a response to the need of modern and complex projects. We should draw the strength of both agile and waterfall while mitigating the limitation by adding agile practice under waterfall environment. So what is the characteristic of a hybrid approach? They have the flexibility and structure. With the agile flexibility and the well structure of waterfall and phased and iterative, a phased approach for well-defined component and a innovative approach for uncertainty handling. The last one should be balanced approach. There is a balance between customer involvement and predictability. That is why adding agile practice under the waterfall environment is so important in order to deliver the quality work on time. So how do we convince management the agile practice bring productive and quality works? What
In
do you
my
think?
opinion, to get management on board with Agile, we need to highlight its practical benefits and ensure we are communicating clearly. We should talk about how Agile helps us adapt quickly to changes and keep customer happy by delivering in stages. But it's all about teamwork, right? We work better together, solve problems faster. Maybe we start with a small project to show how Agile works. And hey, we can even put numbers to it, show how it saves us money and make us more productive. Keep talking to them, hear what they are saying, and address any concern. When they see the benefit in action, they will be all in or get on board. If they still not be convinced, we'll just start keep chatting, showing them bit by bits how Agile can make our work even better.
So I think that, yeah, I think that convince management is the very important part for us to bring to add the agile practice into waterfall environment.
Mhm.
So
Yeah,
but
makes
this
sense.
is the challenge. Yes, it's a big challenge for us.
And and also is it crucial to showcase the management how Agile can bring benefits and then drive the team to deliver more quicker and deliver more smoothly in the pipeline. Yeah.
Time is almost there. I hope that you liked our discussion today. If you're interested in Agile, you can visit our website www.agileeagle.com. We are also welcome. We also provide relevant training courses. Finally, the most important thing is that remember to comment and like it because we shall pick up some interesting questions from your comment randomly. Share and answer with you in the upcoming episode. Thank you for your support. See you. Bye.
Bye.